Halor Kapatisi TV.
Together we achieve, together we can fly, reaching for the sky.
Icfa University, Meghalaya.
Katran PHE jo ka sarkar jala haka arpho tarik naitung aja punrio kalpamana ya ka Jal Utsav aja punrio halor kapang celebration water securing resources haka jingalang kabalong hasti convention center hakaba menteri ka sarkar jala ubakmi ya katanat PHE uba Marcuise and Marak lalong kum kongsan haka ni kasni lasakhilang ru da commissioner secretary Pravin Bakshi chief engineer uba RS Nongbri kidkhot jo ki village water and sanitation committee nakishnong ba pher ka jala chief engineer environment and sanitation uba Didi Umdor bat kiwe
to make a kind of awareness of the ownership as well as the necessity of water, so that we can improve the system. At the same time, it should be sustainable. It's not that we create the structures today and tomorrow we let it go. Like when the rain comes, take all the sand, take all the structures. No. So this is a kind of appeal, I can say, for the public, a kind of appeal from the department to all the citizens to work together, together we should be responsible. Let us not think that, oh, this water supply is the duty of the department. No. From now on, let us refresh our mindset. Let us think positively so that we could achieve.
As is quite well known to you, the first phase of the Jal Jeevan Mission has come to a close, and now we have a reform-linked Jal Jeevan Mission 2.0, for which already we have signed an MOU with the Central Ministry. And in Jal Jeevan Mission 2.0, it's not just about tap connections and reaching to each and every household. It's much more than that. It's a public campaign, public awareness, public movement about how to use water, how to save water, and also to make sure that we do our best to conserve the critical water sources in each and every village. We have also done our own mapping from the side of various ministries. Mapping has been done, and these water at the source is also equally crucial to save for the future of our children, for the next generations. Through Jal Jeevan Mission 2.0, which is now extended up to December 2028, there will be a lot of focus on reliable and sustainable service delivery. So as you must have heard our Honorable Minister Sir speaking many times, Honorable Chief Minister Sir also speaking many times, it's not just a piped water supply scheme. It goes beyond that. It builds a kind of conducive environment, atmosphere to make sure that we take care of our water sources for the near and for the distant future. And we are also making sure that the water schemes are strengthened through operations and management, and there is community ownership. So like we are having the state Jal Utsav launch here, similarly the districts and the blocks and the villages will have their own events and their own programs, their own community gatherings. And we will have what we are calling the Jal Arpan. Jal Arpan is not just a ceremonial or one-off taking of the water resources or water assets of a village. It is taking of ownership, that we as a village come together to take care of all the water sources, all the piped water connections, all the critical sources in every part of the village, and make it work also, so that we have water not just for this generation, but water for the future also. And we are doing that through various means. There are many innovations, interventions also which have been made. The Sujalam Bharat is a digital platform for managing rural water supply scheme, and we also are doing geotagging of all the assets. We will also be having village level programs which will involve self-help groups, youth organizations and local communities, and it will be year long. It will be for many months. It will be an ongoing celebration till we make water reach to each and every household, till we make sure that our water is safe for drinking. Till that time, our students, our children and our youth are able to take complete ownership of all the water sources which are there in their villages.
At the outset, I express my sincere gratitude to the Honorable Prime Minister of India, Sri Narendra Modi ji, whose visionary leadership has transformed the rural drinking water landscape of our nation through the landmark Jal Jeevan Mission. His vision of ensuring Har Ghar Jal has not only brought tap water to millions of households across the country, but has also inspired a nationwide movement towards sustainable water management. I also would like to extend my heartfelt appreciation to our dynamic Honorable Chief Minister Sri Conrad K. Sangma, whose visionary leadership and unwavering commitment to the welfare of the people have ensured that Meghalaya remains at the forefront of implementing this transformative mission. Water is not merely a natural resource, it is the foundation of life. Health, agriculture, economic growth, and human dignity. Every household, every school, every hospital, every firm, and every enterprise depend on the availability of clean water and reliable water. As we continue to witness the growing impacts of climate change, the erratic rainfall, environmental degradation, and increasing demand for water, the responsibility to conserve and protect this precious water has become more urgent than ever before. Recognizing this challenge, the Government of Meghalaya, through the Public Health Engineering Department, is launching Jal Utsav not simply as another government program, but as a people's movement. It is a collective call to every citizen to value every drop of water, protect every source, and ensure that future generations inherit a water-secure Meghalaya. Guided by the theme, Celebrating Water, Securing Sources, Jal Utsav is built upon three simple but powerful principles: celebrate, understand, and protect. Through Jal Utsav at the state level and Lok Jal Utsav across district and villages, communities throughout Meghalaya will come together to celebrate our rich water heritage, deepen public awareness on the importance of water conservation, and strengthen community ownership of our precious water resources. My dear friends, when the Jal Jeevan Mission was launched in the year 2019, the Meghalaya had only 4,550 rural household tap water connections, representing 0.70% with a functional household tap connections. Today, I'm proud to share that through the dedicated efforts of our government, the Public Health Engineering Department, district administrations, engineers, frontline workers, village water and sanitation committees, and the active participation of our communities, Meghalaya has achieved remarkable progress. Provided functional household tap connections to 5,47,077 rural households, covering 84.06% of rural households across the state. Furthermore, 3,616 villages have achieved the prestigious Har Ghar Jal status. Not merely statistics, they represent improved health, greater dignity for women, reduced hardship for families, and enhanced opportunities for rural development. They stand as a testimony to what can be achieved when the government and the people work together with a shared vision. Jal Jeevan Mission 2.0 until December 2028 reflects the government of India's commitment to ensuring that these gains are sustained. Only about constructing infrastructure, but about securing the future of our water resources through source sustainability, reliable service delivery, community ownership, and effective operation and maintenance.
Mornings are always busy. Everything feels fast. I hear mom shouting and I'm trying not to be late. Outside, Shnong is already awake. Cars move slowly, horns are loud. It feels like everyone is in a hurry. Then the STEMS bus comes in, bright and yellow, always on time. The caretaker waves and I feel okay. Inside, we laugh and sing. We share snacks, we help each other with homework. It feels nice. My parents know I'm safe through the STEMS app on mom's phone. Because this bus isn't just a ride. It takes us to school, with friends, and a little bit of hope. This is STEMS, our ride, our future.